Imagine for a second you're in this winning trade, and then what the f? Your screen goes completely black. The lights flicker on and off, your modem dies, and you're completely blind to the market. Has that ever happened to you? Ugh, it is the worst. But there is a fix for this, and you need to have this fix if you are a serious trader. It's called a UPS, and a UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. So what exactly is a UPS and why do you need one? Well, think of it like this. A UPS is your line of defense. You plug in your trading computer, you plug in your monitors, you plug in your modem and router into it, and boom, now you're protected. Here's what it does. Number one, it's a surge protector. If lightning strikes near your house, or even if someone flips on the dryer and causes a voltage spike, your UPS will kick in and protect your computer. Those kinds of random power surges and brownouts can fry your equipment. And trust me, fried gear mid-trade is not something you want to deal with. Number two, it's a battery backup. If the power goes out completely, the UPS flips over to the battery mode and keeps everything running. That means your computer, your monitors, and your internet stay up, giving you precious minutes to set a stop loss and adjust your trades, or to shut down safely. Now, how does it work? Well, inside the UPS is a gigantic battery and a voltage inverter, and it's constantly charging itself while sending clean and stable power to your computer. The second it detects any kind of power issue, it flips over and it takes control. Now listen to me, not all UPS units are built the same. Those $80 units you find at Walmart and Amazon, they're built for your mom's printer, not your multi-monitor trading computer. Those might keep a basic computer and one monitor alive for a few minutes, just enough time to hit save and shut down, but we need more than that as traders. We're power users. You've got a high-end trading machine, at least 1 or 2 monitors, maybe 6, plus your modem and your router. Don't forget to plug those in. So we need a UPS that can handle all of that. Here's what I recommend. Start with a high-end unit, at least 900 watts, or what they call 1500 volt amps. These bigger units have more outlets and much longer battery life. We're talking 10 to 20 minutes of uptime. That's plenty of time to place a stop order, manage your position, or safely shut down without panic. And if you want even more protection, run 2 UPS devices. Split the load between them. That's what the pros do. When shopping for a UPS, some higher end units offer what's called a connected equipment guarantee. That means that anything that's plugged into the UPS gets fried during a power event, the manufacturer will cover the cost to repair or replace it. But here's the catch. Save your receipts. You'll need proof of what was connected. The bottom line is if you are serious about trading, one power outage in the middle of a trade can cost you thousands or worse, cause you to make emotional decisions you'll regret later on. So plug in your computer, plug in your modem, plug in your router, and at least 1 monitor to a high-end UPS, and sleep better knowing that your setup is protected. If you are truly serious about trading, you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. And also follow me on Instagram, @EddieZTrading, for daily behind-the-scenes content. And if you haven't already, grab the complete guide to trading computers. It's totally free and packed with tips to help you fully optimize your trading setup. The link is in the description. I'm Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.